Compensation to victims of rape. So here we see a serious lacuna. What is the serious lacuna? Means a gap. A serious lacuna in the Indian legal system is a lack of sufficient provisions to award compensation to the victims of rape. Now we are going to see the case Delhi Domestic Working Women's Forum versus Union of India. This case filled the gap in law. Gap means lacuna. This case is about a tribal woman. Some tribal women who worked as a domestic workers in Delhi were traveling by Murree Express at Ranchi. Some army jawans were present in that compartment. Some army jawans raped that tribal woman. When the train reached Delhi, one of the culprit was caught and the crime was charged against him. Now section 357.3. We will see this 357.3 from my father. 357.3 of CRPC. Explanation from my father.
When a court imposes sentence of which a fine does not form a part, the court may, and where the person against whom an offence is committed belongs to scheduled caste or scheduled tribe, as defined in clauses 24 and 25 of Article 366 of the Constitution, and the accused person does not belong to the scheduled caste or scheduled tribe, the court shall, when passing the judgment, order of the accused person to pay by way of compensation such amount as may be specified in an order to the person who has suffered any loss or injury by reason of the act for which the accused person has been so sentenced.
So here we have seen the deep and detailed definition of section 370 or 357.3 of CRPC. Now the section 357.3 of CRPC grants such compensation to the rape victims who have suffered medical and psychological injuries and loss of job. The working of these women were stopped as they were raped. They were not allowed to work and no job was given to them, as it is a tendency of our society to consider women victim which are responsible for a rape. So they filed a PIL, public interest litigation, in the court against this. The Domestic Working Women's Forum filed a PIL. The petitioner spread that the National Commission for the Women, NCW, should frame a scheme and impress upon the Union of India to give effect to it. Means though the women have filed the case, they have not got the justice. So the PIL was filed by Delhi Domestic Working Women's Forum versus Union of India. Such PIL was filed. In that they stated that they prayed to the NCW. NCW means National Commission for Women, that they should draft a scheme and impress upon the Union of India to give the effect. Means the compensation to the victim should be granted. Now here the important parameters are delivered by Justice Mohan about this case. We will see these parameters in the next video.